The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that the New Year's is treating everyone good already. You know what I mean? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I have two pieces of videos that I'm going to show you right about now, you know, and these two pieces of videos shows of a person that it is said that this person tried to abduct or kidnap a female that was on a New York subway train, right? Yeah, it is said that she was on the train and this man grabbed the female and tried to run with her, right? And this said to have happened in the United States of America, right? Now, viewers and subscribers, some person said that the female was asleep. Some person said no, she was merely resting her eyes. However, this video footage, or should I say one of the video footage, show of the man grabbing the female and run off the train with her slightly, right? The New York subway, this man grabbed the female and run with her trying to kidnap her, right? According to what has been said. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you the video so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think, you know. And the first video I'm going to show is going to show off this man grabbing the female and running with her off the train a little. But however, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
No! What the fuck, man? Fuck! Yo, what are you doing, fuck? Fuck! What the fuck, Bob? Fuck, get the fuck up! Get up! This nigga is trying to grab me! This nigga is grabbing me at the train! Yo, the nigga just had to scream at him, look!
I'm fucking through
Yo, this nigga just...
Viewers and subscribers, may I tell you, you know, clearly you can see that the female had escaped from this person, right? You know, she had to struggle and, you know, give an alarm that something was going on, and she escaped from this person, you see me? And it also came to my attention that this man that tried to kidnap or abduct this female, the man had been arrested and charged by the police. That's what I'm saying to you. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I am not the kind of person that support violence in any way, any form possible. No way, anyway. Alright? No, I do not. But it had also came to my attention that persons out there seems to have tried to chase this man away from their community because of what he had done. Now, this next video shows of persons chasing away the man. You know, some persons said that these people attacked the man that is said to have tried to abduct or kidnap the female from off the New York subway. You get what I'm saying here? Which is the New York subway train, right? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you this video. But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
I ain't no rapist. Yes, you is, nigga. No, I'm not. Yes, you is. I tried to help him. No, you did not. Stop lying, nigga. I ain't trying to rape him. Rapist, shut the fuck up, nigga. Get off my block, nigga. You know what time it is. Alright, so let me go. Fuck out of here. That's not me. Call the cops, mommy. Call the cops. Call the cops. Call the cops, mommy. Call the cops. Call the nigga. Call the cops, mommy. What the fuck was you doing, nigga? Call the cops. Call the cops. Call the cops, mommy. Yeah. Fuck off the block, nigga. Fuck off the block, nigga. Fuck off the block. Fuck off the block. Get off the block. Fuck off my block, nigga. We on Molson right now. Get off my block, nigga. So what? So what it was like, nigga?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on. And you can also let me know what you think about what had happened in this video. Alright, viewers and subscribers, I do not support any violence in any form, anywhere, any kind. You know what I mean? And this is just me, you know what I mean? And I hope that we have a better world right about now. You know, things need to change. And things like this only goes to show you what's going on out there in the world. Yeah. You have to be careful and, you know, be very vigilant, you know? Yeah. But anyways, until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?